Yes, so my people, so today we'll be talking about indices. Now indices we could talk about today. So wetin be indices? Indices simply means say when you dey repeat number, when you dey repeat multiplication of number by itself, when that number dey multiply itself, you understand, and you dey repeat am continuously, na im we dey call indices. When you dey repeat a number, the number dey multiply itself continuously, you understand, na im we dey call indices. Another name for indices na wetin dem dey call am na exponents. That's another name for indices. So let's say, for example, under indices, if you see dem fit write this thing a, e no hard, you go see wetin I wan do now, a raised to the power of n. So this thing, it means say for indices, they are actually telling you, that they tell you say a times a times a times a, you understand, till n times. So you go multiply this a till number of n times, you understand. So where this a now, this a, we dey call am for indices, we dey call am base, you understand. And this n wey dey here, we dey call am index or power, you understand, or exponent. You get it now? So e no hard, you understand. Just know say a na base, this one wey dey here, and the one wey dey on top, they call am index or power or exponent. You understand? If you don't get this thing, if you don't get all these things, you don't master indices. You understand what I dey talk? Now make I show you one example. Let's say they say 2 raised to the power of 3. 2 raised to the power of 3. Wetin be that? If they tell you say make you multiply these 2 in 3 places, you understand? That's what now the thing where they tell you be that. You go multiply and say 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3. You see now the 3 be this now, right? Multiply them in 3 places. 2 times 2 times 2. And the thing where they tell you be that. 2 times 2 now waiting now 4. You know now 4, no be 8. 2 times 2 now 4. 4 times 2 now waiting now 8. You understand? You write your 8. Or maybe then give you something like this, 5 raised to the power of 4. You understand now? So they tell you say that one, it go be like 5. Make you multiply this 5 in 4 places. And you already tell you times 5 times 5. You don't be 3 times 5. You don't turn 4, abi? So which one you go be what? 5 times 5, 25 times 5. 25 times 5, what's me down? Now 75. You understand? 25 times 5. If you know no book, make I help you. 25 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. I mean 2, right? Make I write it. 25 times 5. 5 times 5. Make I write down where you can see them. Where you can see them now. Let's see what I talk now. 5 times 5 now 25, right? Mean 2, abi? 5 times 2 now 10. 10 plus 2 now 12. 125, abi? So now so that one now 125. 125 times 5. Getting me down. Everything now 625. Sure you understand what I talk now? So you can see say you know they difficult like that. You understand? So now we will come move to law of indices. Law of indices. You understand? Now we get different law for indices. The first one we will talk about now, multiplication law. You understand? You know what? You go see better on the top. This one could just they multiply. Multiplication law. You know what they come. I go show you now. You understand? For multiplication law, you know what you go just do. Now the root be this. Say let's give you a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of waiting times a raised to the power of n. For multiplication law of indices, if you check them, you know this a day here base, a day here 2 base, they get the same base. You understand? Now for multiplication law, everything you go just write, just carry one of the base, carry anyone because they get the same base. A, write your a. You understand? The one with the on top, all this one with the on top now. You know what you do? Just write your m for here. You understand? Come turn this minus, this times multiplication sign, turn down to plus. You understand? So you go come carry this n, carry am here. So everything come turn to it. A raised to the power of m plus n. Now you be that. You understand what I talk now? So now the law be that for multiplication law. You see the 2 base, then get now the same base here. Carry one. You understand? Come carry the one with the top, where they call what? Index or power. Come carry this m, put them for here. Turn this multiplication law turn am to plus, come carry the second power with the here, put them there. You understand? Come turn to a raised power of m plus n. Make I come give you example. Example day. Let's say then give you this kind of example. Say may you do a raised power of 2 times a raised power of 3. What thing you could do for you? And they tell you say, you know, so they get the same base. I don't tell you. Carry one a. You understand? Just carry one of the base. Come write the one. This or come check the one with the on top. 2 day here. Carry your 2 here. This one go turn to plus. Carry on here. Carry your 3 for here. You understand? You carry on write your a. 2 plus 3 now 5. They say I know the lie for you. I go lie for you. I don't feel lie for you. This thing is simple. Now multiplication law be that. Make I give you another one. Make I give you another one. Example 2. Let's say then tell you say 5 raised to the power of 2 times 5 raised to the power of 3. How you take do this one? You don't know say they get the same base. Write your 5 out. Happy? This one now your 2 there. Put your 2 here. You know the wrong. This one now times turn out to what? Plus. Carry your 3. Put down here. You know the wrong. You understand what I talk now? So which one will come be what? 5. Write your 5. 2 plus 3. Let's me that. Now 5. You understand? So 5 raised to the power of 5. They tell you say you multiply 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 5. You understand now? 5 raised to the power of 5. Waiting me down. So 5 raised to the power of 5. Now waiting. Now 3,000. 1, 2, 5. Do your calculation. You go see now. This thing where you get be that. You understand? So you know hard. All these things no hard. Now multiplication law be that for indices. Make I give you another example. See, number 3. Another example. 5 raised to the power minus 2 times 5 raised to the power minus 3. Let's say you may solve them for indices. So this one go down turn, write your 5 raised to the power minus 2, right? This one go turn with him plus. So this one can write a minus 3, right? Now so you go draw them. So write your 5 out like this. So come put your minus 2. For mathematics, what me this thing? How you go take do them? This one now plus. Plus times minus. Now waiting for mathematics. Now minus, so you don't use that chop. Better go open your eyes. You go carry that book so that you go know them again. Then teach you for maths now. Plus times minus, now minus. Minus times plus, now waiting. Now minus. Plus times plus, now waiting. Now plus. Minus times minus, now waiting. Now plus. You understand what I tell you now? So now plus times minus, now waiting. Now minus. Come write your what? This one, don't forget say this plus you get invisible one with the here. If you know see them, but if you open your eyes, you can know say now 1 day here. You understand? So plus 1 times minus 3. Now waiting. Now 3. 1 times 3. Now 3. You understand what I talk now? So now, as it can be like this now. Minus 2 minus 3. For mathematics, if you want to understand this thing very well, if you want to understand that which I tell you very well, you know what you go do? If you anywhere where you see minus, you go assume say with the whole debt. You understand? You buy something you never pay, or person borrow you money you never pay. So you go see how much debt. So this one are minus 2 day and minus 3 day. You don't know say you the whole person minus 2 naira. You do another person minus 3 naira. So everything come because minus waiting minus 5. You understand what I tell you now? So you understand? Now, so this one will come be waiting. This one will come be okay. But make I write that because I won't go another law. But make I do it like that. Now do it. For indices, anytime you see minus something, it means 1 over. Anytime you see minus, it means what? 1 over for indices. Come write your 5 here. Come carry this 5 here. You see it right up. So you can be 1 over 5 raised to the power of 5. Now waiting. Now waiting now. You know now. Now waiting. You know now. Make I tell you. Now 3,000. 1, 2, 5. So now your answer be this. You don't see? Now your answer be this. Do you understand? So if you leave them like this or like this,